One day I found this money glitch that lets you get paid every time you get a click. It was back in 2024.
As an affiliate marketer, I've grown so used to 1%, 5%, 10% payouts on a good day. But now I've found the key to success. So what did I do with it? The one thing I do best.
Promote it.
All I had to do was to create an affiliate account on SocialLynx. Once I did, I found all the different ways to make money. You get paid every time someone clicks on a content creator. And when a company advertises on SocialLynx, I am not even done yet. You can also get paid 20% every time a content creator boosts their profile.
Wow.
They say knowledge is power.
What are you going to do with your new acquired power? Sign up for your affiliate account.
SocialLynx, where your influence turns into real cash.